Unlock the magic of instant, contactless payments with Venmo's amazing QR code feature. First, let's get your personal Venmo QR code ready. Open the Venmo app and tap on the QR code icon, usually found in the top right corner or near your profile picture. This will bring up your unique QR code, ready to share. You can save this image to your photos or directly share it with friends via text, email, or other messaging apps. It's your digital handshake for easy money transfers. Now ready to pay someone or request money. You'll need to access their QR code. Ask your friend to open their Venmo app and navigate to their QR code just like you did. They can then display it on their screen. In your Venmo app, tap the QR code icon again. This time, instead of your code, you'll see a scanner position your phone's camera so the other person's QR code is clearly visible within the scanner frame. Venmo will instantly recognize the code. You'll see the recipient's profile pop up on your screen. From here, you can easily enter the amount you want to send or request and add a note. Once everything looks good, just tap pay or request to complete the transaction. It's that simple. Why you're on no need to remember usernames or phone numbers. So the next time you're splitting a bill, paying back a friend, or collecting for a group gift, remember the power of your Venmo QR code for effortless, contactless transactions. Happy Venmoing!